take advantage of one more real nice day here. We are going to enjoy some mild weather for at least one more day. Drizzle outside this morning. Be aware we've got a lot of wet roads out there. Also tracking some fog across the region. Now, heading into Thursday, temperatures start to go down. We're actually watching multiple cold fronts here. Another going to arrive this weekend, bring some Arctic air in early next week. And then Friday, another storm system potentially starting as some freezing rain before changing over to all rain. Still not expecting big impacts, especially on the winter weather side of things as we move into Friday's storm system. Now this morning, visibility down to less than a mile in a few spots, especially say Alexander, Pulaski County, and then southward right along the big rivers there. Further to the north into southern Illinois, visibility down to about a mile, but we have been tracking some light drizzle and again, maybe even a light shower or two from time to time. Live view from Harrisburg, looking back towards the south, and you could see just all the moisture in the air out there at the street lights. Again, a lot of wet roads right now, and just because you're not seeing the rain on radar right over your area doesn't mean we don't have some light drizzle falling, but a lot of this has been focused closer to the Ohio River, and again, it is very, very light, just enough to wet the roads. We've got temperatures into the upper 40s across much of southern Illinois, western Kentucky right now, actually in the mid and in some spots even into the upper 50s. Murray at 56 while it's 46 in Mount Vernon. So the warm air is trying to lift back to the north, and again, that is going to set the stage for at least another mild day ahead for us. Lunchtime temperature hovering right about 60 degrees, and this afternoon may actually slide back a degree or two, but a cold front will arrive this evening. Once it moves through, winds turn out of the north and west and actually start to pick up. Cloudy skies through the overnight hours. 9 p.m. we're back in the mid 40s, but by midnight we're back into the upper 30s, and we're just getting started with some of that colder air spilling into the region. So here's the storm system we're watching right now. That's going to sweep on through the next 24 hours, and then another big storm system this morning just now making its way on the Pacific Northwest coast. This is the one that's going to bring us some rain and possibly a hint of freezing rain as we move into early Friday morning. So here you go at 9 a.m. still dealing with some of that patchy drizzle. Starts to get on out of here pretty quickly. Cold front moves through this evening. That colder air by about 8, 9 o'clock tonight is going to start to move in. Now waking up Thursday morning, temperatures in the 20s, and then Thursday afternoon, some of us actually may struggle to get out into the 30s Thursday afternoon. But here's our next storm system. It starts to arrive on Friday morning. Initially, we could see some freezing rain from this, but notice what happens as we go throughout the day on Friday. That warm front lifts to the north, so actually by the time most of the heavier stuff gets in here, it's going to be falling as all rain. A lot of that's going to fall Friday night and into Saturday morning, and then here comes the real cold stuff as we move into Saturday during the day. So rainfall totals have been trending down. That's good because 24 hours ago it looked like possibly up to about an inch to an inch and a half of rainfall. Right now, we've taken some of those numbers back to about a half an inch to an inch. But again, the real cold stuff coming in once we move into the weekend and early part of next week. So if you've been wondering where winter is, it is set to return. Waking up Saturday morning, temperatures low to mid 50s. Saturday afternoon, dropping back into the upper 20s and low 30s by the evening hours. And then Sunday afternoon, these are high temperatures, only right about the freezing mark. And here's the real cold stuff coming in first thing on Monday morning. Actual temperatures, not wind chills, back in the low to mid teens across much of the region. So it is fixing to get real cold here as we get into next week. 59 today. Again, some patchy drizzle here through the morning hours. Mostly cloudy Thursday, high of only 40. Friday, that mix turning over to rain pretty quickly. Rain ends on Saturday, but temperatures will be falling through the day. Sunday, most of us struggle to break the freezing mark. And then Monday and Tuesday arrive. Monday morning temperature 15. We may actually take that number down just a bit. That actually could be on the warm side there Monday morning. Monday afternoon, a high temperature though of only 28 degrees. So yes, those that have been hoping for winter, it's going to arrive. Unfortunately, the cold is going to arrive with a lot of dry air, so there's no real chance for any type of winter weather, at least not any that's going to bring us big impacts.
So we're taking the bad part of winter, not the good.
Yeah.